Hello everyone, welcome back to the One Trade. I'm the one. So this channel is for my personal trading recap. So it not only reflects my action, but also the emotion status and essentially every single detail. Today is December the 5th, 10:04 a.m. PST. Yeah, due to some schedule conflict, I want to catch the early like volatility and all this opportunity, but I cannot due to some schedule conflict. I don't know, but let's see. Today, let's see 5 minutes. So it looks like yes, oops, ES and NQ are on the same page. Then it's trying to do a liquidity sweep. Um, uh, at the bottom and try to do a liquidity sweep at the top and reduce to this. For this range, this is in the middle. So it's not a good trade, not a good entry place to go for it. But another way of, you can think of this as a double bottom and you're trying to break out this, like break out this neckline and going up. So if you perceive the chart in this way, then that's reasonable. Then we can go up. Longer story is like okay, it's sideways, and retest. This is what we experienced yesterday in retest, and it seems like it's overall is going up. So I will change time frame uh, to 1 hour. Yeah, in that way we can see there is a clear trend line here. And what about in the recent, like for this week, there is also a trend line here. So market is smooth, going up, and consolidation and liquidity squeeze and double bottom and cannot move outside the trend line. The trend line is effective defense and bump up and try again and bump up. But if it goes to here, outpace the trend line in bounce back. So this is a upward channel. And I believe same thing for ES. Same thing for ES. Um, okay, let's see 5 minutes. For 5 minutes, so battlefield, we can see it's battlefield here. It's not like, hey, when I arrive here, I get rejected. And in like 1 or 2 5 minute candle, it obviously shows a down chain, something. In this way, we can go short. But you see here, when for the first time, I arrive here with strong upward momentum. One single 5 minute candle is so strong. It's like 700 to 730. Okay, 30 point single candle. And it does not draw. So the battle here. In this way, either like lower down, either go up and go down is possible. Let's see. Um, okay, we see a RSI divergence. RSI is higher, but price action is equal. That indicates a potential, like okay, even so many people want to buy, but the price action cannot outpace here. So probably like going forward, you need to go short, but if it keeps going up, that's another story. Oh, we see ES already break up. ES already break up. So chances are that we can go long here. And if we falls above this line, then our assumption is not valid. Oh, ES is fallback. Now we see ES is leading the breakout. NQ is still in the range, so probably NQ will follow. Overall direction is to the upside. If both ES and NQ are in the range, then we don't get any hints. That's this 3 minute. Um, yeah, even RSI shows something. As long as it doesn't show a clear like peak. If it shows a clear peak, then some candle close underneath this line. But here I can see, what I can see is like, oh, ENA 9 and ENA 21 is a nice defense. And the reason I think I can go long is like, I see ES is always leading a breakout. It closed above here. While NQ is still in the range, so NQ will probably follow. If I trade ES, obviously this is breakout pattern, but I'm not sure if it's a fake breakout. So keep in mind. As long as it close above the ENA 9, things are fine. But at this time for ES, it's just way far away from ENA 9. So probably you will retest to ENA 9, and I will not be surprised of that. Oh, looks like it's a fake breakout. See if ENA 9 is defense. Now it's a slow market. We can see the trading volume is big this morning. All these are green, but it keeps dropping. But oh, this could be some signal. If it goes up, if it goes down, then this is our stop loss. But if it goes up, probably like arrive here, like double top again. So we'll see. It's not good to increase position. Increase position can only expanding the earning rather than I mean I mean I will try not to use it to complement my mistake because it potentially expand my loss. Okay. For ES, it seems this is a sideway and it retests to sideway. But if it covers, then we need to quit as soon as possible. But for NQ, it's like sideway. The range is just so big. Oh, it looks like we go long at the top. But for ES, it does not cover completely. Oh, it covers. Oh no, things are not good. 2 minutes left. Let's see. Let's see if this is a retest or the reversal. But it looks like this is like a reversal. See, 1 minute, one more minute. We gonna quit. It keeps covering the previous two. And retest the yin and 9. See if we can protect the yin and 9. Okay, for NQ, it seems yin and 9 is defending. See here, some buyer step in and defend yin and 9. Okay, we need to quit. So the first trade is lost. Then we got fooled by the fake breakout of yes. It's not a killer sometimes. That means let me see. Today NQ something on this 630. 630 it goes down. Oh, so intended to go down. Even this way, we cannot conclude it's downtrend. Sideways is very difficult to trade. This is a battlefield. And 1 hour. Guess we should never enter into a trade in the middle of the range. We should, like, probably when you coming close, to the boundary of the trend. So be patient. See, you get defense. But we're not gonna risk anything more. So it arrives here it really means something. Oh, you get defense by unit 21. But it shows great momentum to go down. But you get defense. And the trend shows something like this. So very difficult. If you feel the trend is not obvious, then probably it's not a trend. So it's sideways, probably it's sideways, and we'll see how it aggregates. Yeah, that's why I need to draw the line something here. So I'm expecting it. Hey, keep consolidating, keep something, and finally break up or down. And that's when we seek for the next entry. But this time it's just in the middle. No trade though. Breakout above, back, something. We'll see. But for ES, the pattern is not obvious. I'll see. It's trying to lure me. See, hey, it closed above this, so indicating a downtrend. But can it close underneath something? Should I go short? Even you go short, this is a trend line for NQ. But for ES, it's not even more difficult to trade because the trend is not regular. Not sure what's going on. I can tell. Now this is too far away. Maybe here. Okay, looks like this is like flag, breakout, flag, breakout, and retest. So we'll see. Flag, because it just breakout and flag and breakout. Okay, it's going down for ES. Going down, I'm expecting somewhere here. So for NQ, I'm expecting somewhere here. Let's see. So not supposed to sell at the peak, but not supposed to buy at the bottom because when it arrives at the bottom, there's no signal you're gonna go up. Same thing when it's something somewhere, nobody can predict. Okay, you're gonna go down. Maybe you just go straight to the moon. But when it shows a clear pattern, you're gonna go down. Then we'll go short. Now it exceeds the ENA 21, and yes, it's leading the breakout. So we'll see. Oh, it reaches the trend line. So I'm not sure if I need to take profit. Yeah, I'll see if it breaks out the trend line and arrives here. Be ready. Be ready. See, let's see how it behaves. Around trend line. Can you break out trend line? For ES, this is a breakout and retest, and it's reasonable to just retest to here. Hmm. Oh, it gets bounce back. Bounce back. So this is rejection all around here. That means it's breaking out, retest is ending. And this is something, it does not even close around here. Let's get pump back. Let's see the next candle. If the next candle ends up to be upward, then we need to quit. Get rejection. Come on, sellers. You're gonna try again, right? Hmm. Yes, fool me the second time today. It shows a clear downtrend, but it's reasonable is get rejected too fast. See if this is a green or red. Okay, seller keeps moving. Sellers keep pushing. Good. That means it will probably arrive here, somewhere around here. And we can see if it breaks the trend line again. Oh, it bump back. That's not good. That means the rejection is effective. Buyers are defending this very firm. And see the ENI, if ENI is effective defense about this retest. Oh no. Hmm. Hmm. Yes, if you can break out this. Yeah, I should respect trend line and take profit. I don't really respect trend line today. So that's why I get another loss. But let's see if this is a retest and continue downtrend, or but if this is uptrend, like something here, because overall this is downtrend. But if it reverse, because it closed here, but it gets rejected, something like this. So if it fights back, then it looks like okay, it looks like the retest ending here. Something. So I should go long, but wait for the retest around here. I will do a reverse. But no, no reverse, just flag, because this is still in the range. Yeah, I just see, okay, you're gonna bounce back by the trend line, continue sideways. So get another short order. But if we break out this line, close above this line, then probably I need to quit. Something like this. Whew. So eventually you're gonna break out to the top. I cannot conclude because I think you're gonna sideways. And yes, it's not breakout, but NK already breakout. Breakout like this, then I need to go long. Look for opportunity to go long. and opportunities when it retests to in a 9 or 21. Maybe I should trade. Yes, because it's already out of range, and this one is still in the range. Let's see this one. Okay, it's intending to go up. Breakout, breakout, breakout. I saw if this one is fall back to the range, then this is a free breakout, or they follow this trend, aggregate here. But now for the second candle, keep in mind this is a 5-minute candle. For the second candle, it continues to go up. Then the uptrend confirms. This is a breakout pattern, and probably will go here. But I'm not so sure because NQ has already breakout and ES is gonna follow. So ES is still in the range. So I trade ES because it to me it has bigger space. Well, since NQ has bigger space, this is like okay, 860. And where is it? Oh, more than 100 points. Yeah, if it's uptrend, then every single 5 minutes should be green. So if it ends up to be a red, I'll quit. That means the hypothesis is not something, and probably like it will be. Oh, it looks like this is another fake breakout. You see, because this is like flag, break, retest, and going up. Mm. Okay, there are some resistance, it seems, here. It's showing a breakout uptrend, something, some resistance. Okay, sideways consolidation around here, and then resume the uptrend journey. Okay, that makes sense. That makes sense. Healthy consolidation. Keep going. Oh, it's too early to talk about take profit. No. Let me see the uptrend confirm strong momentum. I mean, this one is strong enough. Show another strong because it consolidate around here. last 3 minutes. Is there any pattern? Okay, around tackling around here, consolidate here. That's fair. And going move forward. Yeah, that makes sense. Oh, back test. Oh, you get rejected for 3 minutes. Oh, what happened? It retests around here. Let's see if it retests, if we get defended around ENA 9. Uh-oh, it covers. This is not a retest. This is like reversal. It reverse again. It becomes a new flag. Something like this. Let me see. Yeah, it retests ENA 9. For example, here. Okay, for NQ, the retest is done and can resume the uptrend. Okay, healthy consolidation. Keep going, and the yen will catch up. For ES, okay, it's still falling. NQ is leading the breakout to the upside. It seems like yes, there's an intention to go down. See, this is like sideways and triangle to the up. But yes, it's like flag. And yeah, this is like a vertical triangle. Not sure how to perceive this situation. But obviously, not obviously, it feels like this is a breakout retest ending here, going up. Hmm. So if I go long, I should probably choose the NQ because NQ is leading the breakout and has more intention to go up. Yes, it's like, hmm. See, NQ is so small in the downward candle, where ES is big, so it has more intention. While ES is the candle size is obviously downward candle size is more obvious than NQ. NQ gets rejected shortly. I don't know. So if I go long, probably I should choose NQ. Okay, see this candle. If it's a reverse order retest, buyers, where are you? Oh, for NQ, it's trying to retest to ENA9. For ES, so we should always add position during retest, which is risky because during the retest we don't see any signal that you will go towards the direct on the reverse direction. Okay, retest to ENA9, and let's see. Video. We will retest to ENA9. And next will be ENA21. Uh-oh, uh-oh. Next is ENA21. I hate to do this, but it looks like I need to grab the average entry position and then wait for the potential retest. But this is a trend line. See if it gets defended around this trend line. Otherwise, this trend reversal, I lost again. This is a breakout and retest to here, ENA9, reasonable. So the uptrend remains. It remains uptrend. Oh, huge momentum to the downside to ENA21. This is order block. So entry at the order block. That's how we set the buy limit. See if it gets defended at ENA21. With strong downward momentum like this, I'm not expecting exactly meet the ENA21, a little bit exceeding. Hmm. Oh, it keeps moving, keeps pushing. Sellers keeps pushing. I think it's gonna go up. So this is like fake breakout. If it's something like this, it's a fake breakout. Okay, let's see. If ENA21 is a nice defense and bump it backward. Now it seems buyers are fighting back. Good. Let's see the trend line. Uh-oh. So realistic. I should quit this. Sell like 25. Take profit here, which is when it reaches the upper bar of the trend line, it's following this trend, I think. Okay, yeah, keeps bumping up, so it's in this trend. But keep in mind, this is aggregate. This is not like parallel. So it could probably like after the aggregate to the peak, then going down because overall is down. Mm. But here it looks like at this time it gets bounced back by the trend line. It gets bounced back by the trend line. Um, oh, they're gonna break the trend line. Break unit 21. C and Q if it's defense on the unit 21. And yes, if this trend line is defending effectively. Our momentum keeps decreasing. That's what I perceive. It's something like this big, and arrive here and get rejected, and trying to break the trend line, but gets rejected. So, and the downward candle size is smaller than this one. So downward momentum becomes decreasing, and buyer gradually step in. This is a trend line. Come on, you're gonna sideways to the peak and decided to break, right? It's not like one, two iterations, then you break out. Yeah, at least three to four something. Something like this. That's what I'm expecting. One, two, three. At least three. Come on. Hmm. So I should draw this trend line early on and respect the trend line and set a limit order, go long somewhere here. Need to draw trend line as early as possible. That's a lesson I learned. Finally, buyer step in. No, not yet. Just cannot break out the trend line. So trend line defense is effective. Okay, so buyer step in. Great. Keep going. Let's see, 3 minutes. Around here and something and break out. What about? Okay. This line and breakout reduce the uptrend. 5 minutes is not that obvious, but 3 minutes, okay, you already covered. Okay, I like to see 3 minutes. uh, oops, that doesn't feel right. It gets pushed back, so it does not cover this 3 minute candle. Which means that the ENA9 is effective defense for buyers, right? uh, no, the trend line is still defending. ENA21 is still defending. Uh, okay, this long shadow does not look right. I think it's going down. Down. I will probably need to quit. Wait for the retest. Put somewhere here. This looks like this feels like a reversal. ENA9, it has not closed. Let's see, it's only 1 minute. Hmm. NQ has breakout. Let's see 5 minutes. Yeah, it's breakout. Yes, it's breakout to the down. So when you retest, I just quit the trade. Okay, lose again. Oh my God, how much I lose today? 900. 900. This is dangerous. Oh, it's defense. Come on, kick me out and defense something. hmm Looks like this is like this channel. This channel. Then it's like this channel. Okay. It looks like ENA21 is defending. Hmm. That means this is a breakout. breakout and flag, breakout flag. Oh damn! Then I need to go long. I need to find opportunity when it arrives at the upper bound. Go short, because this is like a flag. Flag. Yeah, let's wait. In the long run, this is like a flag. So we'll wait until it reaches the upper bound and then shows some downward something. Otherwise, we will see if ENA 9 cross ENA 21 and then it retests to ENA 9 and we go short. Or it retests to here and shows some downward covering candle, then we'll go short. At this time, it's still battling, I think. And it's in the middle of the range, so no trade. I lose 3 or 4 trades. Need to recover a little bit. Let me grab some water. Okay, I'm back. Even break the channel. Does not necessarily mean that anything. As I say, need to wait until the ENA 9. If we go short here, chances are that we go short at the bottom. So wait for the ENA 9, cross the ENA 21, no hurry. Of course, we cannot go long here. See, defense. So this is pretty much like a fake breakout. It close outside. Oh, keep going down. Okay. Then if it's keep going down outside of a bow, then that could mean something. Oh, it does not continue. So something here. Six. This is the E and an I. Okay, it reaches here and see if it get rejected. Here's a yen and nine. Seems like it's gonna close. Let's onboard a small position and see. Oh, get rejected by trend line. Because ES is breaking out. But ES get rejected at this support level. But it shows yen a 9 and 21 gonna cross, and Dow trend continues. If Dow trend continues, I'm expecting somewhere here. Hmm. Break trend line. Yeah, ES is breaking trend line, but NQ is still in this range. So I'm not sure. Oh, I'm gonna back test and trigger comp my limit order. Really? Yes, it will. Oh, you got rejected this resistance. That's not good. So I need to set out a rule anytime if my complementary order is something that it means a potential reversal. And once it becomes green, then we need to flap, leave, leave, or it reduce, or it test to ENI9. That's fair. ES, do not fool me again. But just in case, when you arrive at the trend line, I'll probably need to take profit, get the lessons before. But who knows? Okay, a new candle. See this candle. Want to test ENA 21 again. Okay, break out the trend line. Keep going. ENA 9 cross ENA 21. That's good. Okay, ENA 9 has not arrived at our entry price. So wait a little longer. I think reasonable. Take profit trigger is somewhere here. Oh, bounce back. Maybe I should take profit at this trend line. Gonna, the trend line is gonna defend. And for ES, it's like fake breakout. Still sideways, sideways, consolidation. Buyers want to push back. Not sure. I think it's gonna go down. ENA 1 does not even reach ENA 21. It gets rejected. So, hmm. Ah, oh, it covers the previous. It covers the previous downward candle. Then it means a potential reversal. Then the trend line is effective again. We go short at the bottom again. Sideways is killing me. So it's something. Let's see if we covers this one. If it covers this one, okay, Dow trend reduce. Yeah, that feels weird. I look at ES chart to trade NQ. Sometimes I look at NQ chart to trade ES. It really depends on which one shows a more obvious breakout pattern or setup. Sometimes it's not clear to see ES chart, but the pattern is very clear from NQ, so I check NQ. I just want to capture the characteristics for the next day. Okay, ENA is effective defense in ENA 21. So the NQ wants to go up. That's not good. You still want to go up. Oh, it's not good. It's covering previous candle. That's not good. So it's sideways, and it's not really cross. But now it shows the upward momentum. But as long as it does not close above this line, then it's still retest. Uh, yes, today for this sideways market, I need to take profit whenever I make $100. 100, 100, 100. Okay, yen and I is defense for yes. For NQ, it outbound yen and I, it looks like. It's not easy to see NQ. Yen and I is defending. Well, if I'm not in a short position, then based on this, I say, okay, you respect the trend line, go backward, you probably get here. So I'll go long, something like this. But if I in a short trade, so I have some bias. Then if it exceeds the bound, then we just need to quit. Yes, for me again. Yeah, it is. So yes, just sideways, something like this, fake breakout. But NQ is like following the channel. So did not tell this. See this candle keeps going up. for ES is dropping. Okay, the retest ends here. I almost want to give up. If it exceeds the previous high, then I will give up. But it looks like, yeah, for ES, it's like keeps dropping. But no, not yet. You need to at least cover it. Come on. Cover the previous one, but to cover the previous one is not easy considering it's so long. God, I almost want to give up. It seems like it does not reach the upper bound at the halfway. Like this resistance is effective and it starts to bounce back to the downside. Oops. Yes, it's covering its new low. What's going on? Super big momentum. So the ENA 9 and ENA 20 will definitely cross ENA 21 with this momentum. Keep going, keep going. That means, okay, if we retest and proceed, then yes, we should enter, go short here. We just enter too early, but by coincidence, by luck, we enter at the right position, following our principle. Wait for the retest, and then when it outperform, yeah, we need to enter here. This is by luck. I mean, by technical, I should something like this. I should wait until retest here, wait for the compression, and goes here. Yeah, but now it just start to drop. Not sure how long it's gonna go. I'll wait for the compression of this and the compression of next. Then I'll apply a trading stop. But it seems like this is the resistance. See if we can break out. Yes, seems to be breakout. See, very huge momentum. It can break out. So NQ, okay, NQ breakout. That's great. So not going to set any trading stop loss until I see this candle and the next candle. Maybe I can see 3 minute. What about 3 minute? Yeah, for 3 minute, I can wait for the compression of this one. Okay, you're gonna fight back a little bit. Hi. Yeah, this is where the retest gonna go. I think allow this trend line boundary get bounce back, but only here, not here. Last time is here. This time here is this huge. So hmm. Hmm. 5 minute candle and 3 minute candle is like, okay, this green bounce back, and this is yes, bounce back to the range, to the battlefield, and keeps moving because use previously around here and see if this is an effective defense. Oh, mental challenge. But for 3 minute, ENA 9 has crossed ENA 21. And this shows great momentum. Oh, 5 minutes show another new something. Probably you will retest to here, as I can tell. Let's see 5 minutes here. Yeah, you will probably retest to here. And falls back. Oh no, it arrives like point six of this huge candle. This is point six. If it exceeds this one, then I will quit because the position is too big for me. Oh, well, yes, yeah, the retest ending. For NQ, yes, it's still trying to push out of the flag flag channel. This is upward flag channel, and this is, I will say for now it's not, this channel is like something like this, and this looks like a very defense. I will see this candle. If we can push, continue up, continue down, and exceeds this previous low. At least it should close as a downward candle. Okay, ENNI is a very defense. Pushback for the whole 5 minutes. Oh, it's only 2 minutes. For the first 2 minutes, just cannot grow to cover the previous downward candle. But it's too early to conclude unless it exceeds the previous low. ESS show downward intention. NQ just hesitate. Hmm. Come on. ESS already exceeds the previous low. Okay, NQ follow. Right. And see ES if ES can exceed this previous low. Uh, NQ, yeah, allow the say distance. So realistic position could probably be here. What about 3 minutes? Retest here and show here, and also trying to retest to 3 minutes to ENA9. Okay. And retest to here. That's fair. And keep moving down. But it's too far away from ENA9. I hope ENA9 curve can be more steep. Okay, it still does, it's lower low, but it does not close underneath. But for ES is more obvious that it closed underneath this previous low. So this is the downtrend continue. Let's see if this retest to yen and 9. So I would like to set a trading stop loss here, but now it's too early. It can retest. It can retest to yen and 9 anytime. See? So it's still too early. Oh, this one does not end. It does not end. It has to yen and 9, which is probably, oh, here. You're kidding me. Overall, it's still downtrend from ES. From NQ is not the same story because it already obviously covers. So it's potentially a trend reversal. Dangerous, dangerous, dangerous. Oh my God, don't take profit around 400 bucks. Now I'm gonna lose. Okay, retest to yen 9. Here, retest to yen 21. Hmm, let's see. Keep going. And probably I need to quit. Oh, there are still 3 minutes. For years, it's still like this trend line. It does not exist this trend line. Effective defense are yen 21. What about NQ? Hmm. Okay. Long retest to yen 21. Good defense. For years, okay. It's still moving down. I think this is another sideway that I need to leave the trade. But this is a very defense, I see. So it should continue to go down. That's why I keep adding position, but don't marry to my trade. This is another alarm. Another alarm to me because the buyer is trying pretty hard, push it up. But for years, see, it shows weakness. Anchor is still very strong. It covers the previous downward candle and retests back into the range. But this trend line protects pretty well. And it keeps going up. defense, 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 defense. Okay, ENA 21 defense again. And protect this trend line. Protect this trend line. Be more patient. Oh, it looks like sellers review. Hey, sellers. Multiple retests and get rejected by ENA 21. And this is the consolidation before the breakout. Something, something. Consolidate here and go short at the upper bound of this range. That's fair enough. I'll keep this trade. Oh, finally. Can you break out to the downside? Hmm. Some sideway like this. So I will expect some sideway like this. I will expect maybe somewhere here. Can you arrive here? It breaks. But it's getting defended here. Hmm. ENA 9 is keep leaving the ENA 21. It's already crossed and keep leaving. Hmm. Oh, it got pushed back. I'm gonna test ENA 9 again. Long rejection here. The buyer is defending this line. So it looks like this is retest and going up. So it's convoluted. The ENA 9 coming very close to ENA 21. Seems to become indeterministic. Uh, I will probably like take profit here. Not comfortable with this. Hopefully you sideway one more now. And next time you arrive here, then I will quit. Come on. One more time. Try one more time. The ENA 9 for yes, the ENA 9 is leaving. It shows the momentum is leaving. see for yes. Yes, this is 3 minute or 5 minute chart. Yeah, it's leaving the area. The distance becomes bigger and bigger. Hmm. Oh, gas defended again. This is not an obvious downtrend. This is convoluted. So anytime you can bounce back. That's what we need to take care of. Oh, it's making another attempt. Hmm. That's rejected. It's so difficult to push down because there's a firm defense here. Somewhere around here. Yeah, a little bit greedy, but a little bit revenge trading because I lost a lot. So this is a good opportunity, like break out to the bottom out of the range and retest and get defended here, and we get a go short entry at the upper bound. So I think the setup is good. So I'm gonna hold this and make as reasonable. I think this take profit is reasonable here. Align this align this line that has been tested multiple times. So the resistance, the support is here. But it seems like this is a support now. Temporary consolidation. Get some battle here. Hmm, I don't know. Currently it follow this trend line. See, it's lower low, lower high. But it's not lower low. Oh yeah, it's not lower low. It's like consolidation. Hmm. It ends up to be an upward candle. That's not good. This one ends up to be upward candle. No, not good. And cannot push down anymore. But I see the ENA 9 and ENA 21 is still defending. Hmm. Right, yes. Yes, cannot push down. ES cannot push down. No, there's a front defense here. And probably I need to quit. This is not the right direction. Oh, start to go up. Still defense here. Yeah, we just need to set a stop loss. And see if we can trigger. So this is not liquidity speed. Liquidity speed is down here. So if it triggers, that means it's going up. After sideways is bio beam is going up. Hmm? It starts to resume downtrend something. Video. Did you finish the sideways? This is a micro flag something. So downtrend. So I'm not surprised if it resumes the downtrend, keep going down. Uh, if it exceeds this, I will move it to make it even. If it exceeds the lower bound. Okay, it looks like it does. Patience. When I get a good setup, although I enter into the trade early on, I enter actually here, not here. And I almost give up here. But yeah, it looks like it reduced the downtrend and it's following this something. Oh, wait a minute. Actually, it's not directly going up. It's actually following a flag channel. That means I should probably like take profit somewhere around here. Okay. Somewhere around here. And then we enter the short trade somewhere around the trend line. Yeah, in that way I trace every single trend, but it looks like this is the case. Keep continue down, down. See if you get rejected. Oh, because I see the ENA 9 and ENA 21 is departing. They're departing. Oh, you want to retest ENA 9? Okay, 500. Bring momentum to the downside. defend this. At least I don't lose. Okay, for yes, it continue to go down. It continues to go down. Should I just yeah, it's almost here. Almost reaching the trend. Yeah, no greedy. I will probably take profit here. Oh, you guys push back. Yes. Hello? Somewhat random. Take profit, set a random. I just finished like flag sideways and just break out this little bit and bounce back. Come on, no kidding me. I expect another fall, something like this. 700. Okay, 40. So 700. Yeah, that's fair. Starting from here to here, another say distance. Oh, don't kick me out. If I get kicked out, I will not enter into trade immediately. I will wait for the next setup. So we're gonna retest ENA9. And this is the upper bound of the range, so back and forth. Consolidation takes so long. Trading stop loss has this risk. And okay, I don't take profit at 6 to 20. Now it retests and trigger my take profit at 400 something. That feels like I'm pretty silly, but at least it secured my profit. I mean, this is a very conservative operation. Oh, it triggers me. It kicked me out. And now what? Oh, it potentially it reverse. So the trend line is effective here. That makes sense. Then pay attention. Is a potential trend reversal. This is not a test because this itself is pretty dangerous. Tick tock, tick tock. And for ES is more obvious. Obvious. Okay, it missed the trend line again. Wanna go short? Do we see the downtrend continue along this flag? Yeah, I just talk about I'm feeling silly. I don't take profit at 6 to 20. I take profit like 400. Mm-hmm. Oh, it's not even 400. 387. 387. 30p and L still lost 560. Okay, let's see this uptrend. Is this the uptrend? Reduce. We'll see. Be cautious because this is in the Dow. Oh, this is in the Dow or something. Okay, yen at 21, buy. Oh, this is so strong. And I can get it goes so far away. It does not retest anymore. This is 0.6. This is 0.6 of this candle. I will see the next candle. This is only 2 minutes. I have 3 minutes to observe. Okay, we are entering into the trade. So we will probably start the next complementary trade here. Is this like a oh, is this like a fake breakout? I think this is so strong going straight to the moon. You're gonna fall. And this shows the strength of the defense. And this is like reversal, standard reversal setup. Oh, get me in. Okay, 6. 6 is big enough. But if you go here, I can add another more. Okay, it looks like you will never go here. And if you exceed here, then I will quit. And pay attention, like this one is goes down, and the next one is drop sharply. So now it gets rejected by yen 21. So we need to pay attention. Same thing here for NQ. So now the trend line is still effective. See, it does not close above the trend line. Oh, it's trying to close above the trend line. Okay, very nice. Keep going. Next candle. Keep going. Really? If that's the case, that means potentially it will reach here. Theoretically, arrive here. And our entry is at ENA 9, so very good setup, very good entry. If it exceeds ENA 9, that means this is a fake breakout. But if it doesn't, then this is a nice retest. See if ENA 9 is defending. It just break ENA 9, ENA 21 in one single candle. This is very strong upward momentum. And I just need this momentum begin. 5 minutes, so I'm gonna apply some trading stuff. Exactly like what we do for this one. Now we lose this part from 712 to like 703, so 9 points. It's okay for 9 points. Yeah, we need to wait for the compression of this candle. As long as it it ends up to be a green, then we can set at the bottom for the trading stop loss. But if it goes well, this is a huge trend, then we make way more than 9 points. So it seems it's continue to go up because it drops something and consolidate and resume. We just want to wait and see how far it goes. We are not against the trade, so this is against the trade. This one is follow the trend, so there will be some retest. So we will be kicked out for the first retest. At least we get this trend as much as possible. We don't know where this trend will end. Need to wait for the compression because anything could happen. And if it finish, okay, 3 minutes left, then I'll set a trading stop loss here, which is the upper bound of this battering field. Keep going. Looks like great momentum. Remember, anytime you can retest up to here. So wait for the compression of this candle. Do not set the trading stop loss too early. You're gonna be kicked out at the very beginning of the trade. Oh, some resistance. 58, 2 more minutes. Oh, this candle is huge. Two equal huge. Something shows very strong upward momentum. What happened? Excuse me, what happened? Can I know what happened? Cross back to here. No, do not add a position. Something like this, because we never know if you will retest to here. If you retest to here, maybe I will add some position. If you just retest to here, that's a reasonable something. That's normal. That's not deep retest. Always, always at a position when you retest to the unit 9 or unit 21, whichever you think um, is an effective defense. And in that way, if it breaks out, obviously the defense, then we can conclude that okay, the trend reverse and we can quit. And this minimize the entry at the ENA something, minimize the loss when we quit the trade, exit the trade. That's the thing. Oh, see, you're gonna retest to ENA 9. Really? I'll keep going up. It looks like there's a strong momentum to going up. Okay, I will set the stop loss here. Either I don't make too much, but I need to protect my capital. Very conservative operation because this is the resistance. Why I study at this time? Because this is a resistance. I'm not sure how much it bounce back. It could bounce back and indicate a potential reversal. Or it just bounce back a little bit because the buying power is so strong, buying momentum, and it just get a triumph over this resistance and break out. But anyway, just in case it's a reversal, I set a stop loss here. Set ES is already covered the previous one, while NQ is not fully covered, but almost. Oh, it kicked us out. It kicked us out. So we are waiting for the compression. We cannot conclude that, okay, ENA 9 is still a valid something because this looks like the trend reversed again. Oh my God, what's going on? Yeah, this is another part. So whenever this happens, I will probably go short here. Something. Let me see where it is. Okay, it's here. Will you retest to here, picking up on ball? Because when it shows something like this, it's already indicating a okay, something, hand, shoulder, shoulder, hand, shoulder, one more shoulder. That can happen, but it can happen like it's a breakout and retest and keep breaking out to the upside. Looks like gonna pick us up. So if we step here, then we'll leave the trade here. Don't lose too much. Let's see. Pick us up. Oh, so you did. Oh, stop. Okay, let's set something here. It looks like this is just breakout retest and going up. It's not like getting rejected by this resistance and reversal because this is too huge. So it indicates a potential reversal. We're not sure as long as it does not exceed this line. So we'll see. So this time, let's apply some rules like 100 and we quit and we take profit. 100 and we take profit. And see how it goes. Make money 100 by 100. Oh, yes, it's just breaking out. So yeah, if this is a downtrend, this is a retest, then draw the trend line, we break out the trend line, so we go short here. And because it outpace something, so we do this for NQ because NQ is still slightly outbound. It's not like obvious like ES. So probably like you'll continue to go down. Maybe here. Take profit here. Let's see. Dong. Yeah, because this is resistance, very resistance to get verified multiple times. So we're just curious to see. Oh, oh, it reversed again. It ends up to be breakout retest and retest ends with zero uptrend. Oh my God. Okay, retest. Good. Retest ends. Now please go down. Please. So if we go down, this defense is so small. The space is so small because this conceals most of the range. That's why we do NQ here. Then there's the stop loss is this way, 744, and it's like 730, 14 points. So what's the okay, this is like 20 something, so 1.5. The risk reward ratio is 1.5. That's yeah, allow that. That's reasonable. So the assumption is like it keeps sideways, okay? Because the market is sideways like more than 70% of the time. So it's reasonable to assume it keeps sideways something. So the reasonable, realistic take profit point is somewhere here. Allow this ENAC, the defense is so strong. So that's why if we want to, if you assume this is like a retest, it's gonna go up, then better to go a long limit order, allow ENA. Well, it does not allow me to get a 100. Come on. Battering around ENA. 9 and 21 and something, something in the middle. And the market is not sure where to go either. Battering field. For yes, it shows still downward. But for NQ, not sure. Okay, one more minute. So after the compression, that we can set a trading stop loss here. After the compression of this candle, because I'm pretty wait for the compression. I'm pretty like 6 so that we can never lose. One more minute. If the Dow trend continue, we can never retest to here. Otherwise, something's very wrong. Oh, it looks like okay, yes, arrive at a support level. See if it outbreak. Okay, outbreak. And I'm not sure where is the bottom because it's gonna go here. And for NQ, it's gonna go here. And for stop loss, I can move it here. Move it here. Always at the upper bar of 5-minute candle. See this one. If we get rejected by this support level, because it has attacked multiple times and get rebound, get rejected. Every time, every time is a little bit weakness. This is something strong, but sellers resume. See, it triggers this part, and it could resume. Maybe I should take profit here. Hmm. Don't kick me out. Oh, he kicked me out. So it gets rejected again, this line. So it should not be greedy. Respect this. Buyers are still defending here. Oh, oh, oh. Okay, around 100. This is a 52. Hmm. 400. Worry. Keep fighting back. Now we know the sideway continues. Ah, sideway continues. You cannot say this is a downtrend. So you say, hey, this ENA is defending, it's going down. No, it's trying hard to go down, but no, it still get defense and probably like it's gonna bounce back to this level. We wait for this level. Um, we are waiting for this level. Okay, this is a battlefield. Buyers and sellers are just battle here. Overly, this is a flag, and now it's a minor micro sub flag, and in the long run, we can see buyers and sellers battle around this area. This is what's that? 740, less than 30 points. Okay, we are competing for 30 points. Maybe it's not worth trading. So we'll wait for a breakout, retest, and upward. This they are like something. If we just go short here, we risk something like this, but the reward space is only 30 points. It's not worth that. It's not worth that. So K down and need to adjust. Uh, so once we realize what's going on, we understand how the market is moving today, then we know, okay, this is uptrend, downtrend. Now probably like uptrend. See this one. So it's yes, it's moving somewhere. That gets you the illusion of breakout, fake breakout, and we get tracked a couple of times. And NQ is strictly follow this one. 30-point battlefield. 30-point battlefield. Yeah, it's doing. So I go long. So my stop loss will be here. And my reward is something here. It's like 1 on 1. No, never try in the range, especially in the middle of the range, especially in the middle of a very small range, like only 30 point for the wise. Just wait. Unless you want to gamble, you get like uh 20 to 30 like micro contract. And maybe within like 10 or 20 points, then you get some meaningful feedback. Well, I should take profit when it reaches like 160, when it reaches like, see, ES is deliver the illusion. Okay, it break out the band, but it does not reach, it does not break out here. Something is something like wave. It's not like the NQ is mostly allowed here. NQ is here. So if you see, okay, break out, let's go long, then we get trapped because the reward space is so little and the loss is somewhere here. And we see, yeah, we see that the ENA9 and ENA21 is convoluting together. No, no way. The better action is no action during this market. Let's wait for some situation, some new something happen. No, no. For RSI, I don't get any hint because it generally follow the price action. I mean, they are generally the same setup. The relatively high. I mean, so so I don't see any divergence. No, RSI divergence is not applicable. And it's not a trending something. Yeah, why I do not wake up and join the market like somewhere here that I can enjoy this trend. God Jesus, I can join this trend and I make meaningful money even with 3 micros. Then I join around somewhere around here, somewhere around here. Then I trade this. This is very difficult to trade. See, even if breakout, I cannot conclude that. Okay, yes, breakout going up because NQ has not. And we know that there's a resistance here. And for years, the resistance is here. So let it go. We'll find opportunity to go short. When to go short, it shows some relatively weak strength of upward and shows some strength to go downside. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, so fast. Do you want to retest a little bit? Let me on board. Sell. Yeah, I know you are going to sideways, right? You wanna retest a little bit? Get me on board? No? If no, then I just don't go for the trade. I don't care. But if I set a short order here, if it exceeds here, quit. That minimizes my loss, but that could potentially, and this does not impact my opportunity to enter a potential long breakout to the upside, because I just wait for an overview breakout and retest and going long. Then that's where I go long, but go short, something like it shows something like this. Oh, yes, it's trying to go short around here. You don't retest? You're kidding? No kidding? Yeah, I just set here, see which one is triggered first. Yeah, you never come back, pick me up. That's not good. Not fun. Then I just don't, no, don't enter into this trade. This is a shit market. Okay, arrive here. Let's see if the defense is valid. And it's not good to like go short here. Keep in mind. For NQ is in the middle and probably like got defended here, I see. But for ES, okay, this is downward or something. So yes, so much space. Hmm. But come on. Come on. No retest, you kidding me? Huh. The risk is like if we arrive here and consolidate around here, and if we retest to here, then potentially upward. Okay, I missed this trade. It looks like it never get back. If we go to here and it gets back, then probably the trend reverse and going up. That's even more risky. And even it covers this one. It's not good to go short here, around here, because the reward space is so little, and the loss space is so much. It's even bigger than the reward space. Goodbye this trade. In this way, ES is more friendly because this is downward something. So it should go down. I'm not sure. So it's at a trend line. So I'm not sure if it's fighting. But NQ is just still sideways. For ES, it's just it may be fighting around something, gradually step out of the bridge, and in that way, then potentially the buyers could be go up. So in this one, as I say, if it goes up to here and it's sideways, then probably I should be more safe to set the. Okay, yeah, immediately it does not give me any opportunity like this one. It get here, and what I'm expecting is like, hey, you show some weak candle and see how it covers the candle, continue the trend, or like a minor like upward candle and shows the candle covering and completely covering it, and I can go short here. Get me some opportunity, get me some time, but see, it's like something like this, huge, huge, huge. No any opportunity. I'll see. Cannot go short here. No opportunity to join the train. So probably we'll skip this time. Skip. Skip. Actually, for ES, it's not like this flag. We can see this is a resistance and this is support. This is a battlefield. So so actually this is like defending. Do expect something happen on this line. This line. So the reward space is not that big if we go short here. C is so covering. C is so great momentum, but it's still sideways. No trading though. Mm. And again, When you arrive here, I'm expecting some weak, something like this, and some strong something. When you arrive here, I will do long and expecting to take profit around here. Also, this is so regular sideways area. But I just expecting something like this to get me more time and to get the more clear setup. I don't like this one. Immediately goes back. I don't have time to get in. And something like this, I don't have time to get in. Anything could happen because it's breaking down, it's breaking up. Overall, if you see 1 hour, is oh is moving up. This is a uptrend, but this is in the middle, and in the middle, anything could happen. If it falls to here, then I can check, find opportunity to go long. But no, if I wait until it arrive here, then probably then I don't commit a trade for the whole day. I need to wait for Asian session or London session. It could happen during that time. A lot of this trigger, see this one, is happen in London session. See this one is happen in London session. Or even Asian session. Yeah, that's so long interval right there. In the middle, sideways, no trade. Get bounce back. Until it breaks out this obviously, and then retest and show some downward covering candle, then I can go short. If it arrives here, if there's a good setup, something like this, fights back, and I can go long. Yeah, that's the plan. Theoretically, you should wait until this huge bout. Um, you cannot always expect that. Oh, but if you look at yes, it's something going to the upper bow, so it shows an intention to go up, right? But for NQ, it shows intention to go down. So do you dare to go long here? Because it's moving, it's not following even distribution along this flat area. It's like moving gradually. If you look at NQ, okay, this is flag. Overall, this is down chain, and this is flag. So, and it gradually consolidate and step out of the bow flag area and something. So, in the long run, it should go down after the consolidation. But if you look at the ES, it's like this is the flag and something. It's supposed to go up because after moving, it going to the upper side of the flag channel. You're not sure which one to trust. This is pretty confusing. If it's confusing, just don't trade. If it's confusing and you're gonna trade, then It's very difficult. You believe in yourself and stick to your position when things are not moving towards your trade direction. Yeah, something like this. We're not there to go long until we see clear signal. Hmm. It seems the defense is valid, pretty valid. Hmm. Now we back to the middle. Market does not know where to go. Hmm. Maybe we look at 3 minutes and see. Oh, 3 minutes even more confusing. Forget about it. Try multiple times. Try another time. Same story happen. The last 3 minutes. Try another time. I don't enter in the middle. So a lot of this long candle, you see, long candle, shadow line is actually sideways, sideways around here. Keep in mind, this is 5 minute chart. So sideways around here is not like, hey, peak point and liquidity speed or whatever. This is sideways. But this is a little bit upward, but yes, shows some downward. See this candle? Equally 5 minute, yes, shows downward intention. Hmm. Power 36, be patient. This is still sideways, so I'll adjust it accordingly. Hmm. Hmm. So in this way, we can see the sideways has still more space to run. At least like a couple more candle. Yeah, for ES it's aggregating, so eventually will break out. But for NQ, is this like parallel sideways range? Then you can just go endlessly. Does not aggregate. But for ES, yeah, the the final result will be even now before here. We'll see who to break out. Buyer or seller, who wins. Hmm. We have enough patience to wait for the actual outbreak. So until it really outbreak, if it shows an intention, no worry about it. Is they are trying to trap you. See, you see it's going down, but it quickly resume back. Oh, you see it's got break, but NQ is showing some upward, keeps sideways. That defense here, close underneath here to validate the outbreak. Mm-hmm. 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 Oh, back to here, something, something, something. See the reaction on trend line, see? Bounce back, very defense. So if you go short, then probably you go short at the bottom. If you want to go short, probably like around here at the upper trend line. But realistic speaking, the reward space is so little. It's not worth the trade. Not worth the trade anymore. Mm. Oh, see. Yes, as outbreak, and NQ still in the range. But we'll see if this is a fake breakout. Wait a little bit more. This is 42, 3 minutes left. Okay, wait for the retest. This does not look like a fake breakout, but I don't know. It could like last like one or two candle and quickly drop back. So I'm just trying to be conservative. So on board some position here. See, quickly bounce back. Can we on board? Nice. Will resume. Bounce back. 43. If you go here, I'll probably like add one more entry. Oh, seriously, you want to go back right there? Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. So, yeah, if you can reach here, then complement and drag my average entry price, and once it going to back to green, then I will quit the trade. How come you retest so much? Oh my God. It's potentially a trend reversal. Hopefully there is some like back test to let me get out of the trade. That's the benefit to use a small position. We can have aggressive entry and conservative entry. When things are not going right, we can use this method to drag the average price and wait for the retest to get out of a trade with some earnings. Oh, it looks like defense, very defense right there. It's not worth to add position here. So if we just something, let's wait. Because it's not necessarily like covering this upward candle. This rejection is strong. Buyers are here. Previously, the buyers here, and later on, the buyers here, and now these buyers are concealed, and now the buyers here. So we will see if it gets rejected here. Be patient. Cannot add position here. So this is our last defense. And if it exceeds this line, that's why I don't like to trade in sideway. But we'll see. Will it get rejected? What about 3 minutes? Oh, 3 minutes just show this. Come on. So see where is that? Okay, it's right here. 46. Oh, strong momentum to the downside. It will bounce back, right? They never bounce back. I'm not even sure what's going on. I'm not sure how to set the probably like I need to set it here. 676. You see 676. I cannot add a position like this. Oh my god, it shows some huge. Can you give me some sideways consolidation, something? Come on. Suddenly dumb like this. Then again, I will probably like cancel this too. And set my stop loss, trading stop loss, something here. Did you get back? See the reaction on this resistance. If you outbound, plus if you consolidate, the outbound is something here. What about 3 minutes? Can you give me any hint to add position? Get back, get back. Probably I can add position here. See if you test it. And I'm gonna move my stop loss here. Oh, nice. This is so nice. Keep going down. Oh, kick me out. Sorry. So intimidated. Mm. Mm. Yeah, this one, it will probably retest to here. What's going on? The last 10 minutes. Initiate a flash. Really trigger my limit order. Oh, 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 don't go back. This is a resistance, I know. But I will see 3 minutes. What's going on? Okay, here. Oh, my entry price is here. That's a little bit risky. I don't know. Because it's gonna retest to yen and 9. They're gonna put me in a very dangerous situation. Hmm. 5 minutes is too far away from 5 minutes from yen and 9. Oh damn. Oh damn. I'm gonna fight back. Yes, it's not even reach the half. It's retest yen and 9. So this is so dangerous to add position. It grab my average entry, something something. So it's too greedy. It's pretty now. It's pretty much like gambling for now. I just hope that it's not a trend reversal. It's just deep retest. Hmm. It arrives here. If it exceeds here, I will quit. You should deep retest and fall back. Yeah. And I grab my average entry price gradually something. Oh, how come things are so crazy? Okay, retest to here. Then what now? Okay, moving down. Oh, crazy buyer. Guess retail traders should never play this market. 18 is pretty big. This is more like gambling. This keeps going up. This is not good. And we get defending. ENA 21 defending, but who knows? It looks like buyers are control, but for ES, it's still like way underneath ENA 20, ENA 9. Yeah, and resume back. So this buyback so weak. This is so strong. Downward candle is so strong and buyback so weak. So overall intention is going down. Hmm. Who knows? It doesn't show any downward candle. This is like reverse something until it covers, go down and covers this previous upward candle. But for NQ, it's not easy. The upward candle is so long. But as long as ES confirms the downward reduce, that's good enough. NQ will follow. 56. Last 10 minute crazy. The volatility becomes big suddenly. So when the volatility big, then I should decrease my position rather than increase them. By just catching out the wave and keep it at increase and drag my average entry price to down and down something. I don't follow my principle. So this is a very risky situation. More like gambling is just bad. Okay, go down, please. Oh, I'm gonna blow my account. No, I don't expect. I just expect it go back to here. Then I'll take profit. Oh, it's still trying to go up. What about yes? Yes, ENA 21 is defending. Somebody is trying to buy, buy. It does not cover this line. So, but for yes, it's still way lower. It's just NQ almost cover, but yes, it's like something like this. Should not hurry. Should wait for it retest to here. Then I something. But when it drops here and retest here, then it's potential. Is a potential reversal, trend reversal. See, yes, it's trying to challenge it in a nine. See 5 minute. Oh, 5 minute already covers. What's going on? It trapped me. Use this one, so get some little win, but it trapped me later with this liquidity sweep, and I got trapped somewhere here. And this is the last minute. I'm not gonna trade. Yeah, this is liquidity sweep and I got trapped. So should not be greedy and stick to something and stick to street like trading stop loss to protect my capital. See if there's a defense here. But it doesn't matter. It's already 59. Ah, get trapped. Oh, today I lose like 1,600. And the last trade lose 670. No. Well, how much? I feel like I lose a lot for the last trade. 1,200. God damn. God damn. I want to revenge. But last minute, not gonna trade. And it's like this is like liquidity sweep. I don't take profit here. I should. I mean, this is obviously a resistance. I don't respect this resistance. This is support. I don't take profit here. I'm greedy a little bit. Why I'm greedy? Because I lost at first. I lost. So I just want to get back my money in one trade. And this is a very common mental trap. And this is your liquidity, very obvious liquidity speed, showing that, okay, it's going down, break, break, going down, and you fall back. So very conservative, where I should stick my old trading principle, not adding position. And actually, I'm enjoying the trade like here. That's good. And I can just trading my trading my stop loss somewhere here and get this profit with 3 micros and lost this one. This fight back, nobody can predict. Oh, now you see, okay, liquidity is three, so will it go up? No, you're gonna potentially you're gonna be rejected here. Hmm. That's so much for the day. lost most of my capital in the last trade, but good thing is I stopped. So I don't lose all of my capital, 1,600. So I still have, I think it's like 700 something left for the trading stop loss distance. Oh, should not trade. When the volatility is big, then I should probably quit. It's very easy to blow my account. It's more like gambling. Volatility is big, then position is small. Volatility is small, then yeah, keep it small because it can become big suddenly. You never know what happened next second, and that's the lesson I learned today.